What's Gucci, y'all? It's your boy 360 SosaDoneDidThat, and today I'm going to show you guys how to set up your iPhone for the best recording and editing with DaVinci Resolve. Alright, so you can see that this picture is super blown out and overexposed, and then this picture is normal and shows how I recorded it. How I would normally fix it is to hit Shift 9, go to Color Management, go to DaVinci YRGB Color Manage HDR, and then Filmic D-Log V3 plus Vibrant. That's how I would normally fix it to get the color right. But as you can see on the second clip, it's not showing it correctly. So the first clip is before the change, the second clip is after. So now when I bring it back to normal, you can see that the first clip is super blown out, but the second clip is normal. So here's the settings. You need to go into your iPhone, settings, camera, and then you need to go to record video 4K at 120 FPS. The most important setting is turning off HDR video. So once that's off, turn auto FPS off as well. It's usually on 30 and 60 FPS, I believe, but you want that off. And lock camera turned on. We record the video at 4K, 120 FPS, the highest quality possible. And then slow-mo, 4K at 120, cinematic, 4K at 30. Sound, you want to put at mono instead of spatial audio because that's how you edit it, is in mono. And then this is the second most important. You need this to be on high efficiency, not most compatible, because this will make it H.265 codec, not H.264, so it will be much easier to edit. And then 24 megapixel photo mode. And then you need to go to your Fusion camera, turn on all the lenses, and then set the default to what you want. So now when you go into the camera, as you can see, I have 4K 120, HD 120, 24 frames, 30, 60, 120, and then HD has 120, 30, 60. So then when I go to 4K and then 60 frames, I have the half magnification as well. But now the most important thing is to press and hold on your screen to have auto exposure and auto focus lock. That way it doesn't fluctuate the exposure during the video. Turning HDR off, turning auto focus off, switching to high efficiency, and then changing your audio to mono are going to be the best settings that you can do to make recording and editing on an iPhone the most compatible and easy to edit with DaVinci Resolve. Alright, so that's going to be the video for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's your boy 360 SosaDoneDidThat, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!